First, imagine if one delicious fruit sitting quietly in your kitchen could be doing far more than satisfying your sweet tooth. What if it contained powerful natural compounds that help calm dangerous inflammation inside your body, support your immune system, even create an environment where cancer cells struggle to thrive? It sounds almost too good to be true, yet modern science is uncovering fascinating evidence about a fruit that many people overlook every single day. The shocking part is that chronic inflammation has been linked to some of the most serious health challenges we face, including heart disease, diabetes, cognitive decline, and even cancer. Most people don't realize that the battle for better health often begins at the cellular level. Foods we choose can influence that battle in remarkable ways. Today, we're going to explore what researchers have discovered about this extraordinary fruit, how it may help reduce inflammation naturally, what the science really says about its potential role in cancer prevention, and most importantly, how you can include it in your daily routine for maximum benefit. Make sure you stay with me until the end because some of the biggest mistakes people make with this fruit could actually reduce its health benefits. I'll show you exactly what you need to know. For many years, inflammation was viewed as something simple. You got injured. Your body responded. Healing process began. In its proper form, inflammation is actually one of the most important defense mechanisms the human body possesses. Helps fight infections, repair damaged tissues, and protect us from harmful invaders. The problem begins when inflammation stops being a temporary response and becomes a constant presence inside the body. This is what scientists call chronic inflammation, often develops silently without obvious symptoms. Many people may feel tired, experience joint discomfort, struggle with weight gain, or notice frequent health issues without realizing that chronic inflammation could be playing a significant role behind the scenes. What makes chronic inflammation particularly concerning is that it can affect virtually every system in the body. Research has linked long-term inflammation to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, arthritis, cognitive decline, digestive disorders, and many other serious conditions. Instead of helping the body heal, persistent inflammation can gradually damage healthy tissues and organs. It creates an environment where cells are constantly exposed to inflammatory signals, increasing stress throughout the body. Over time, this can interfere with normal cellular functions and make it more difficult for the body to maintain balance and repair itself efficiently. One of the most important discoveries in modern nutrition is that the foods we eat can either fuel inflammation or help reduce it. Highly processed foods, excessive sugar intake, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats have all been associated with increased inflammatory activity. On the other hand, foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds may help calm inflammatory processes and support healthier cellular function. This is where certain fruits have attracted significant scientific interest. They contain naturally occurring substances known as polyphenols, flavonoids, oxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress and inflammation often work together. Free radicals accumulate faster than the body can control them. They can damage cells, proteins, and DNA. This damage may trigger inflammatory responses, creating a cycle that becomes increasingly difficult for the body to break. Certain fruits contain compounds that may help interrupt this cycle by reducing oxidative stress and supporting the body's natural defense systems. These nutrients work on a cellular level, helping maintain healthier communication between cells and supporting mechanisms involved in tissue protection and repair. Scientists have become especially interested in fruits that contain high concentrations of bioactive compounds. These naturally occurring substances do much more than provide vitamins and minerals. Some appear to influence inflammatory pathways directly, helping regulate how the body responds to stress and potential threats. Others support immune function, improve blood vessel health, contribute to better metabolic balance. While no food can completely eliminate inflammation, incorporating nutrient-dense fruits into a balanced diet may help shift the body's internal environment toward a healthier state. Important factor is that inflammation does not develop overnight. It often results from years of accumulated lifestyle influences, including poor dietary habits, physical activity, chronic stress, inadequate sleep, and environmental exposures. Because of this, reducing inflammation is rarely about a single change. Instead, it involves a combination of healthier habits that work together over time. Choosing foods rich in natural anti-inflammatory compounds can become one of the most effective and sustainable strategies for supporting long-term health and promoting healthier aging. People hear the phrase cancer-fighting foods. It is easy to imagine a miracle ingredient that can completely prevent disease. The reality is far more complex, so far more fascinating. Scientists have discovered that certain fruits contain powerful natural compounds that may help support the body's defenses against processes involved in cancer development. Compounds do not act as drugs, and they are not cures. Instead, they work by influencing cellular environments, supporting healthy immune responses, reducing oxidative stress, and helping maintain normal cell function. Understanding how these natural substances operate can provide valuable insight into why some fruits have attracted so much attention from researchers around the world. One of the most important groups of compounds found in many colorful fruits is antioxidants. These molecules help protect cells from damage caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. Free radicals are produced naturally during metabolism. They can also increase due to factors such as pollution, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, and chronic stress. When free radicals accumulate, damage cellular structures, including DNA. DNA damage is one of the factors that may contribute to the development of cancer over time. Sedents help neutralize these harmful molecules before they can cause significant cellular injury. Many fruits also contain polyphenols, a diverse family of plant compounds that have been extensively studied for their potential health benefits. Researchers have found that certain polyphenols may influence pathways involved in inflammation, cell growth, and cellular communication. Some laboratory studies suggest that these compounds can help support normal cellular processes and may create conditions that are less favorable for abnormal cell behavior. While much of this research is still ongoing, the findings continue to generate excitement within the scientific community because they highlight the remarkable biological activity of compounds found naturally in foods. Area of interest involves flavonoids, which are plant pigments responsible for many of the vibrant colors found in fruits. Beyond their visual appeal, flavonoids possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to overall cellular health. Scientists have investigated how these compounds interact with enzymes, signaling pathways, and immune responses. Some evidence suggests that flavonoids may help support the body's natural mechanisms for identifying and managing damaged cells while also helping reduce chronic inflammation, which has been associated with various diseases, including cancer. Certain fruits are also rich in vitamin C and other nutrients that support immune function. The immune system plays a crucial role in monitoring the body and responding to abnormal cellular activity. A well-functioning immune system is constantly working to identify and remove cells that are damaged or behaving unusually. Rich fruits provide essential vitamins and minerals that help support these natural protective mechanisms. They also contribute to overall health by promoting healthier blood vessels, supporting tissue repair, and helping maintain proper cellular function throughout the body. Researchers have increasingly focused on the concept of the cellular environment. Cancer does not develop in isolation. Cells are constantly influenced by their surroundings, including levels of inflammation, oxidative stress, nutrient availability, and immune activity. The compounds found in certain fruits may help create a healthier internal environment by reducing factors that contribute to cellular stress. This does not mean a fruit can starve cancer in a literal sense, but some studies suggest that specific plant compounds may influence biological pathways related to cell metabolism, growth regulation, and inflammation, an important part of ongoing discussions about nutrition and long-term health. As we wrap up, remember that no single food is a magic cure. Fruit can guarantee protection from disease. However, The evidence continues to show that certain foods contain powerful natural compounds that can support the body's defenses in ways we are only beginning to fully understand. This remarkable fruit stands out because of its unique ability to help combat inflammation, support overall wellness, and contribute to a healthier internal environment. The key is consistency. Small daily choices repeated over time often create the biggest health transformations. If you've learned something valuable today, start putting this knowledge into action and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Your health is one of your greatest assets. Positive step matters. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss our latest evidence-based health insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.